In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple pages in Canva. This simple trick is incredibly useful when you want to make the same change to more than one page, or when you need to organize your project quickly. Instead of repeating the same action over and over, you can select several pages at once and apply your chosen action in one go. Start by opening your design in Canva. Once you're in the editor, look toward the bottom of the screen. You'll see a horizontal strip of page thumbnails. These are the small previews of each page in your project. This is where the magic happens. If you have a lot of pages, you can scroll along this strip to find the ones you want. To select multiple pages, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the page thumbnails you want to include. Each time you click while holding Control, that page becomes part of your selection. You'll notice a highlight or outline appear around each selected page, which lets you know it's included. Keep holding Control as you continue clicking to add more pages to the group. If you change your mind about a page, simply click it again while still holding Control to remove it from the selection. When you've got everything you need, you can release the Control key. That's really all there is to it. With your pages highlighted, you're ready to take action. Whether you plan to duplicate them, move them to a new spot in your design, delete them, or apply a consistent change like a background or style, Canva will apply your chosen action to all the selected pages at once. This saves time, keeps your project consistent, and reduces the chance of missing a page. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Aim your clicks at the thumbnails in the bottom strip, not the canvas in the center, so you're selecting pages rather than editing content. If your selection doesn't look right, pause and check the highlights to confirm exactly which pages are included before you proceed. And remember, actions like deleting are immediate, so it's smart to confirm your selection before you commit. Once you get comfortable with this, it becomes second nature. You'll find it especially handy for organizing long documents, applying the same layout across multiple pages, or preparing a set of pages for export. That's it. Hold Control, click the pages you want, and then choose your action. Simple, fast, and efficient.